The beautiful Sankirtana will speak. Sankirtana, here is the mark.
Hi, Machilipatnam. Baunara. So happy to see you all. So andarki namaskaram. Munduga media valandarki thank you so much for being here. And Mantri garu, thank you so much for making our event so special. So our film Janaga Aithe Ganaga is releasing on October 12th. Naki avakasam ichinanduku ma producers Harshit garu, Hanshita garu, alage ma Dilraju gariki pedda thanks. And my director Sandeep garu, my favorite director. Thank you so much, sir, for making me a part of this film and supporting us. Alage my DOP garu and Vijay garu, our music director, and our choreographer Moin Master. Andarki thank you so much. Alage my direction department, one of the best team that I ever had before. So thank you so much. And our favorite actor, Suhas. So happy to be working with you, Suhas, and no words. So, మీరందరూ థియేటర్ ట్రైలర్కి టీజర్కి సాంగ్కి లవ్ అండ్ సపోర్ట్ ఇచ్చారు. అలాగే మన మూవీ కూడా ఇవ్వాల్సిందిగా కోరుకుంటున్నాను. సో ఆ ఫిలిం జనగా అయితే గనగా is releasing on October 12th. So అందరూ తప్పకుండా చూడండి. Do support us. Thank you.
Thank you, Sankirtana. That was beautiful and wish you good luck. Now I request Krishna Prasad garu వారిని మాట్లాడాల్సిందిగా కోరుకుంటున్నాము.